नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो. Myself, JV Dr. Monica Trivedi. Today I am going to teach you about enthalpy change for an ideal gases. Okay, this topic belongs to thermodynamics equilibrium and solution of BSc B.Ed PCM ZBC and BSc PCM ZBC fourth semester. So student, as you know, entropy is a state function and its value depend on the three variables like temperature, pressure and volume. Okay, let us consider n moles of ideal gas occupying volume V1 at pressure P and the temperature T. If the system absorb dq reversible heat energy, okay, q reversible is a energy for a reversible process, then the increase in entropy is given by the expression like ds is equals to dq reversible by t. Okay, according to first law of thermodynamics, dq reversible is equals to de plus p dv. So if we put the value of dq reversible in equation 1, we get ds is equals to de plus p dv by t. Okay, as we know, pv is equals to nrt, so the p is equals to n by v rt. Okay, then we put the value of Pn in the above reaction, which is De plus PdV. Okay, so the De is equals to NCV dt. Okay, or if Cv is equals to De by dt for a 1 mole. So what we get, where Cv is a molar heat at the constant volume, by subtracting this value from equation second, we get ds is equals to n Cv dt plus n by v rt dv divided by t. Or if we simplify this equation, what we get, ds is equals to n Cv dt by t plus n dv by v. Okay, now integration between limits s1 to s2 and t1 to t2 and v1 to v2, what we get. Okay, if we differentiate the ds from s1 to s2, if we differentiate if we integrate if we integrate the value ds from s1 to s2, and if we integrate the term ncv dt by t from t1 to t2, and if we integrate the term n r dv by v from v1 to v2, we get uh, the equation from for one mole. Okay, so here the equation is del s is equals to s2 minus s1, which is equals to ncv ln t2 by t1, change in the lower and upper limit. Okay, plus n r ln v2 by v1. Okay, so if we change ln from to the log, we have to put 2.303. Okay, so we have to multiply from 2.303 for to change the ln into the log. So what we get, del s is equals to 2.303 n cv log t2 by t1 plus n 2.303 r log v2 by v1. Okay, for 1 mole of the an ideal gas, we get del s is equals to 2.303 cv log t2 by t1 plus 2.303 r log v2 by v1. Okay, for pressure and temperature variable, let if p be p1 is a pressure in the initial state and p2 is a pressure at a final state. So what we get, p1 v1 by t1 and p2 t2, and or we can simplify it as a v2 by v1 is equals to p1 t1 p1 t2 by p2 T1. So by substituting this equation from equation third, what we get here, if you put the value of V2 by V1 in that equation. Okay, so what we get, del S is equals to n CV ln T2 by T1 as it is, plus n RT ln, and here we put the value of V2 by V1, which is P1 T2 by P2 T1. So what we get, if we simplify this all equation, NCV ln T2 by T1 plus nRT R ln T2 by T1 plus nR ln P1 by P1. Okay, we multiply this nRT term by T and P. Okay, so finally we get CV plus R, which is common in this both temperature term, and ln T2 by T1, and then plus nR ln P1 by P1 by P2. So as you know, Cp is equals to Cv plus R. So if we put the value of Cv plus R here, we can put the Cp here. So NCp ln T2 by T1 plus nR ln P1 by P1. Okay, or we simplify this equation as del S is equals to 2.303 multiply n multiply Cp log T2 by T1 plus 2.303 multiply n multiply R log P1 by P2. For the 1 mole of an ideal gas, this equation is del S is equals to 2.303 Cp log T2 by T1 plus 2.303 R log P1 by P2. Okay, if we put some condition like from this equation we can calculate the entropy change for the ideal gas. Okay, if we put the condition like at the constant temperature for the isothermal process in case of T1 is equals to T2, for this equation the above equation will be del ST is equals to 2.303 into n into R log V2 by V1, because the term of T is constant. Okay, so for the del ST is equals to 2.303 into n into R log P1 by P2. Okay, so at the constant temperature we get this equation for the entropy change. Okay, so in an isothermal expansion, V2 is very large as compared to V1, or P1 is very large for P2. Hence del ST is a positive, whereas in a isothermal contraction V2 is less than V1 or P1 is less than P2. So the del ST is a negative value. At constant pressure in isobaric process, the pressure constant, so P1 is equals to P2. So the equation reduce like P del SP is equals to 2.303 and Cp log T2 by T1, and at the constant volume for the isobaric process, whereas volume is a constant like V1 is equals to V2. So the equation will be del SV is equals to 2.303 into n into Cv log T2 by T1. So thank you very much. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you satisfy with my session. If you have any query, please comment to me. Thank you.